Guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to make mini pizzas. Let's start. So for ingredients we need sauce, some some masala snacks to garnish it. Here I've taken some masala bundis and some salted biscuit. It should be salted or plain, but it should not be sweet. Let's start. View. Take a biscuit, add some sauce, add your salted snack to it. Our second pizza is done too. I'll make a couple and then we'll try them. We're all done. Now it's time to try them. Let's see, I'll pick this one. It's actually good.